Okay, next one up, Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. This is a returning client. I did his KTM once before. He's been wanting to get this one to me for some time. This is going to get one of our full works packages. Is the best package to go for. We're just going to do a proper detail on this, get all that exhaust all minted up, all down the front. I get that belly pan off. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all the windscreen, all the bodywork, and then we're going to treat it with the Ultimaxx ceramic, making sure this bike is properly protected for the years ahead. She's pretty filthy. It's done a trip on it around the Alps recently, so it's not had a proper clean since then. She is minging. Time to work a little Trott magic. Get that paintwork looking its finest. We'll get all this windscreen removed, all these little things. We'll polish those up before we apply any ceramic. Give me a few hours, get this beast looking like it should. Okay, Ducati Pikes Peak is now fully washed, debugged, decontaminated. Just blow dried every nook and cranny of this, making sure to remove any moisture from switch gears, etc. Don't want anything getting any damage. We're just doing a little bit of a paint inspection, seeing what we've got to work with. This will get a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Got the windscreen off, the little foils there, the airfoils, they're off. They will get polished. I've got the exhaust to polish up. I've still got quite a bit of work to do on this. We're an hour and a half in. I'm going to mist the lower half with some XCP. I will ceramic these wheels, and obviously the rest of the bodywork is all going to get ceramic as well once I polish it. Get rid of all these marks. Anyways, there you go, 3 hours, 15 minutes. This Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on that. This has had one of our full works packages. Everything's been thrown at it. All the belly pans off. We've mirror polished up all that exhaust, all the wheels, calipers, everything's been meticulously cleaned. We did a two-stage machine polish just to remove any imperfections in the paintwork. All that spider webs have all been removed. We then prepped it and we treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. That is a 5-year ceramic. We use the Ultimaxx Trim-X on all the plastics. That is a ceramic infused plastic restore. We put the XCP clear coat on all the lower half, the motor, etc. All that exhaust has been mirror polished. The wheels have all been prepped. They've been treated with the Signature Pro as well. All the chains been serviced. Absolutely gleaming, now fully protected for the winter ahead. Get yours booked in now. Much easier to prevent any corrosion than rectify it. Get it in 07966 249 963.